It's Tuesday morning. This morning, the market going up, going down. You had options that went up over 200% in a matter of seconds. And then you had a huge reversal. The market tanked. You had put options going up 200% in a matter of seconds. I'm going to show you guys the trades here. Another green day for me. Consistency, baby. Consistency, consistency. Going to show you the trades, show you the action right here in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, so here we go. We're looking right now at the 457 call options. You can see the SPY this morning just bouncing off of that 455 level, pushing up there to 456 right now. I would like to just get some more on this. I might just take some profit up here. See if I can take one there to lock it in. And then look to maybe lock in some more here in a second. And then look for a dip. You can see this thing just at open, just going straight up here. Call options. I ended up buying these call options at $1.40 and squeezed up to about $1.73 so far. Now up to $1.75. So we're going to lock it in here. And what's interesting is if you look here at the chart, what do we get? We have a gap in the chart there. Look at that gap right here this morning. The market gapped down. And well, it filled that gap, obviously. So filling that gap, I really wish I would have loaded up more here. Just wasn't able to buy enough contracts to open as this thing just started squeezing straight up, and I didn't want to chase it. I was looking for a pullback, but there really was no pullback there. You can see on these options, it dipped all the way down to $1.10 and just went right to 170. I mean, there was literally no pullback there. It was pretty frustrating. It's one of those setups where you're like, hey, you know, this might be a really good setup, but still, do I want to chase it, especially right out of the open? I think there'll be another opportunity, so I'm not too worried about it. The market just opened. We'll give it some time, sit back here, and I got some green on the board already and some resistance at this level here. It was yesterday's kind of resistance. I think if we can break above that, obviously we're going to get moving again. If we look at the daily chart here, resistance-wise, we don't have much going on. So that was yesterday's close, and then the next resistance is like 458, 460 levels. So I think it's looking very doable if you look at the daily chart here for a breakout to the 460s or higher. So pushing over 457 right here. There we go. Beautiful. Up to $2 now on this call option. Selling one more call option up there. So I'm going to lock that in. You can see here these call options up to $2.05 and selling another one there at $2 flat. See, selling right there at $2.01. So far on the day, we're up $87. Like I said, wasn't able to really load up like I wanted to, so still waiting for a pullback here. I think we're going to get a pull. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. Let me know what stocks you're trading in the comments below as well. What stock did you trade today? Let's get back into the action. So watching this right now on the 5-minute chart, you can see looking for something to start rounding out here, to start loading up on call options again. You can see this big, massive move to the upside. We were expecting a pullback. We got the pullback. We pulled back to 456.27. So now we just kind of wait. We wait for that rounding. You know, give me a reason to buy. I don't want to just buy because it's crashing down. I want to buy because either it's breaking out to the upside, something's giving me a reason here to load up. Trying to push back up here, 456.80. Like I said, looking for that push over 456.80 to jump back in long. This is the 5-minute chart we're looking at right now. 5-minute chart. Looking for a 5-minute candle to make a new, or just kind of break above the previous high of the last candle. All right, so we're pushing up there above 456.80. I'm jumping back in call options. So jumping back in here at 69 cents on these call options. Looking for $1. Let's look for $1 on these. All right, let's look for at least a break over 80 cents. So we'll see if we can retest that 457 level. I think we break over 457, we're going 458. I don't know. I'm just putting it out there. I'm thinking 457, 458 pretty quick. There we go. Look at that thing. Break over 457.20 here. Do it the high of day so far. You can see these call options starting to move. We had a push so far up here. I'd like to see a break over 80 cents before selling. There we go. Lock in some profit here. You can see 81 cents. Lock in some profit. 83 cents. Still riding higher. We got 3 contracts left. 84 cents. Push up there to 457.40 now. Look at this thing. Up to almost 90 cents now on these call options. Remember, we paid 69 cents. Absolutely just beautiful setup here. Like I said, being patient. You can see here on the 5-minute chart what we were looking for. We want to see this to break out. Basically, this 5-minute candle right here breaking out over the 456.80 level. and then now all the way up there to 457.60. What am I going to do now, you might wonder? Well, I'm probably going to sit back here, be patient, and wait for the next opportunity. You know, I could probably go and chase this, but I'm also, you know, going to be patient. Oh my gosh, look at these options right now. I really I gotta start holding on a little bit longer. I gotta start holding on a little longer, up to almost $1 now. So from the 70 cent area up to almost $1. So a 30-cent move there in a matter of minutes. Wow. Sometimes it's a good thing to take profit, you know, a little early. So look at this move up there to 457.80. The pullback now 456.51. Look at these call options. Went from $1 back to 60 cents. So hey, you know, maybe I didn't hit the top, but at least we locked in the profit, baby. You can't go wrong locking in profit along the way. And I feel like pretty good, especially after seeing this move down. Look at this thing right now. It's just getting hammered. Somebody must be talking, or I don't know, something's going on. If we look at the bigger picture here, resistance-wise, not much going on for resistance there. So one of the Feds just tweeted, or somebody just tweeted, talking about how the Fed is prepared to take stronger action if inflation and inflation indicators suggest need for such action. So the market did not like that news there. Look at this thing right now on the 5-minute chart. I mean, look at these puts right here from 95 cents up to $1.60. I just wasn't even quick enough to jump in on that, but look at that insane move. All right, so I ended up buying some put options here as well. Look at this. Oh, we're good. Rock and roll, baby. Bought some put options. It happened so quickly. We got the breakdown to the downside here. Was watching the 5-minute chart as we got stuck right there. We broke the downside. Ended up buying those put options. And boom, 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 baby. What a time to be alive. I'm going to watch the 454 area flat. See if we can wash right here. I'm going to buy some puts, buying the 452 puts here. Looking for a wash below 454 here. These will push up to $1.40 or higher. Looking for the wash through 454. You can see this level right here, 454. We break it. Here it comes. Come on, baby. Let's just wash it. You can see the options right now. Looking for a push over $1.40 on these options. These are the 452 puts. See if we can break 454 here. The low of days so far is 453.89. So I think if we get below there, we're going 453 flat. And ding, 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 ding. $1.39. I'm going to take it right there. $1.39. Lock it in. I hit my target for the day. We're chilling, baby. My goal this week right now is if I can just make, I mean, obviously I want to make more, but if I can make $250 every single day, 5 days a week, you know, my goal right now is just, you know, consistency. Obviously today was one of those days where there was a lot of opportunity. You can see these options right here went from 55 cents up to almost $1.40. So 160% move here on these puts. And then if you look, you know, this morning, like the 460 call options, they literally went from 35 cents up to $1. So 70%, 170% move. So there has been some insane moves in the options market right now. And this is exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for opportunity, volatility, you know, jumping in, jumping out, taking profit and locking down profit as we go. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. So we're going to lock it down. I'm going to make this video. I might trade like the afternoon, but I think for now, I'm just going to sit back and wait. I'm not that worried about forcing any more trades or anything like that. So definitely look at this thing right here from the call options that dropped today. They dropped 73% in like 10 minutes. Insanity. All right. Another Tuesday, another dollar, another day. Another day, another dollar, another day. So making some profit this morning, just nice and easy, you know, nothing too crazy, not getting overly confident, you know, just green days, baby. It's all we need. Small green days every single day add up and they keep you going. They keep you moving along. Today was one of those days where there was some huge potential. I think, you know, today was also a really good lesson for me to start to maybe kind of adjust some of my things in my platform just to get maybe a little bit readier for those types of massive moves. You know, when the market started to tank, I probably should have bought put options, but I was like, oh, you know, kind of a deer in headlights there. So something to work on, something to think about. And yeah, we're going to get wrapped up here. And good day.